How to change your birthday on Roblox under 13. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can change your birthday on Roblox. You're under 13, you have notified your age. So in order to do that procedure, so you see without providing your ID, won't be able to change your date of birth. What else you can do is the alternate that you can simply contact the support. So for that, new tab by address bar at roblox.support.com. After that, it's gonna take you to the support center page, where first of all it's gonna ask you to provide in your date of birth. So make sure that you provide in your date of birth. After that, click on the next button. Now you need to type in the username associated with your Roblox account, or else you can just leave that part as well. First name, that is optional as well, and email address associated with your Roblox account. So type in your email address, and for the confirmation you need to type in twice. You need to select the issue. So first of all, select where you are in the issue. In my case, I'm having an issue with the PC. If you're using an Android device or maybe iOS, then select it accordingly. You also need to select the help category. So tap on the icon right in the corner and select the help. In our case, we're going with, you'll be selecting HB settings and account with parental privileges. After that, once again, you'll need to select a specific reason. Change child age. After that, write a description of the issue. State that you want to change your age. You also need to provide in a valid reason. So you can just go ahead and type in the detailed information about it. You can give a valid information and tap the submit button. After that, the request will be submitted. Once you've submitted the request, it's going to take approximately 24 to 48 hours in order to respond to you. So till then, you have to wait patiently, and after that, they'll look into your matter and follow the instruction accordingly. So in this way, you can change your age on Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.